Hi, welcome to Fusion Cooking. Today we are going to present you a video on a variety of green tea which is called as matcha green tea. First, there is a disclaimer. We got this ceremonial grade matcha tea from Focus Matcha as a free sample to try. It is on Amazon. We are going to provide a link below for this product. If you are going to purchase this using the promo code given in the description, you are going to get, I think, anything between 15 to 30% discount, and it's going to be a limited time offer. I think it's going to last for a month or so. If you like this product and want to buy, this promo code should come handy for you. So this came in this package, and you're going to get some from the business card from the seller, and this is the ceremonial bamboo spoon. We already opened this one just to try a few recipes, but this is like a bamboo spoon that we find along with the matcha tea products. This is the Focus Matcha. So you'll get this in the package. Actually, in the original package contained this one. The green tea came in this one. We just opened it just to avoid the mess. This green tea looks really good, really green. You can see the color, and I can take a little bit just to show you how it is. It's really dark green and very powdery. I don't see any clumps or leaves or traces of any of that sort. I'll just going to wipe my hands clean. You should be storing this one in a cool, dark place just to preserve the good qualities of the original green tea. And this is the ceremonial grade green tea, so I think it's the highest quality. So today we are going to show you a few recipes. The basic Japanese tea using the ceremonial grade matcha green tea, and then we are going to show you overnight oats along with matcha, and then a kiwi banana smoothie, and an avocado paratha using matcha tea. The first recipe we are going to try today is the basic matcha tea. So what are the benefits of matcha tea? For Japanese, green tea is a precious medicine for health and long life. Green tea is rich in natural antioxidants and nutrients, which are good for health. About 1/3 of the weight of the green tea is made up of flavonoids, a variety of antioxidants. And in case of matcha tea, all of it is made up of these beneficial components, in addition to the special components called L-theanine and EGCG component. Okay, let's jump right into the benefits part of it. The first benefit we are going to discuss today is glowing skin. Because matcha tea is rich with antioxidants, it helps fight the free radicals and the negative effects of pollution and aging. This means less wrinkles, glowing skin, and that means you look younger. The second benefit is the calming effects of matcha tea on mind. Remember, we talked about a special component called L-theanine, which is naturally available in matcha tea. It helps slow release of the caffeine into body, and it usually avoids the energy crashes that happen when you consume a cup of coffee, and it calms the mind and body. So it also improves the mood in general. The next benefit is the cognitive performance. It improves the cognitive performance by improving the attention, psychomotor responses. It also helps with faster neural responses. Matcha tea promotes concentration as well, which will help you in day-to-day tasks that require attention. Okay, there is this another set of health benefits which I could not fit into any other category, but matcha tea usually helps reduce or prevent cancer, diabetes, hypertension, and other heart-related diseases. And it also boosts the immunity. And some studies suggest that matcha tea helps with the promotion of liver health. Liver itself always tries to detoxify the body. So indirectly, matcha tea promotes detoxification. Call it as detoxify. That brings us to the last and most important benefit for all of us, that is weight loss. Matcha tea increases the metabolism. That means the body burns calories at a faster rate. It also found that it promotes the fat burning. So with the help of matcha tea, fats may be burned at 35% faster rate than usual. Overall, both of these things combined together over time helps with weight loss. Okay, that's all for the benefits. Let's move on to the next recipe, that is overnight oats with matcha tea.